Do you want to design a YouTube banner? In this video, I'm going to share with you my way of designing a YouTube banner in Procreate that can cater for all devices. Let's go. First up, right, you want to have three canvas size. The first one, YouTube banner for TV, which is 2560 times 1440, okay, pixel. Also, for a desktop as well, so 2560 times 423. The minimum, okay, which is for mobile devices, you need 1546 by 423. So that is the bare minimum. In your Procreate canvas, make sure you create your new canvas for that size. Now what you do is just open this up first, okay, right there, blank canvas, no problem. What you want to do is copy this layer, okay, copy, swipe down, copy, go back to TV, paste, okay, there, this one as well, copy. Right now, okay, look at the layer, okay, I have 3 layers. Now what you want to do is, do not touch this layer, okay, it's just our reference, okay. The one here, the one in the middle right here, that is our safe area, okay, so let's lower the opacity down. Okay, to 30% for that. This one, we still want to lower the opacity down as well to 30%. So we want to design our YouTube banner around that, around this. So that is the one in the middle right there. Okay, that is our safe area to play with. Now we can toggle on and off. So let's toggle the one for desktop off. So we want to be in that area. Get a new layer, change a different color to your main color profile of your YouTube channel look. For me personally, it's orange. Change color. Now you can't see any damn thing. Okay, so what you want to do is move this up. Okay, so you want to stay in that area. Okay, design. Next thing I want to do is do a whole texture, okay, the whole texture, okay, similar process to what I do with my thumbnail. So I will do a texture. So right now it's switched to plain. So I like to use the bokeh light, change to different color. Okay, it doesn't matter which one, right? As long as it's in this canvas. Change the opacity, or okay, that looks good to me. So now it's all in that one layer, okay? The majority of our design should be in that safe area. So let's how about we try to have our unique selling proposition. Now if people land on our page, our channel page on YouTube, they know why are they there by looking at our banner. Now let's do a new layer. So I'll just write it down, okay? So I'll just do my unique selling proposition. So I'll do this one, and I'll change this to black. So let me say that video editing made simple, something like that, okay? Something like that. Probably have to lower down. Let's save. Let me do a mess it up. Undo is easy. Video editing made simple, right? I'll grab a logo from LumaFusion. Copy, paste. Okay, so you want it's right now way too big for, okay? Just lower down. Something like that, okay? But I think you can change it more to more easy to read text. Delete that one. Insert text, something easy for people to remember. Impact, increase this to 7%. Video editing, okay, video editing. I'll get a new layer. Something like that, some video editing made simple, okay, in a logo. That's all we want, okay? So when people land on our page, they know exactly what they are in for, okay? Something simple, change the color to whatever we want to match our thing. Now the point is, we want to stay in this safe area. What I did wrong was I have to change this to different color. I change this to blue. Copy, back here, paste. Now we are working in the right order. Now we can see it now. Because the other one I just used white, lower down, so we know. Okay, 30% roughly in that area. Okay, go to the safe area. Copy. Okay, now we know we're in safe area, right? Lower the opacity down, so we know we work in the right area. Okay, 30% like that. Let me delete the other one, this one here. Keep it clean. Now the video made simple, we can play around with that. So right there, we can adjust whatever size we want. Now it's just a start, okay? You just lower the opacity of the the layer underneath, so you know what is the safe area you can work with. That's roughly the guide there. I'll hold this up. So right now we're still working under that thing, but we're not. That's our design. Okay, now it's back like that. You toggle the main color on and off to see where we are. Have to add in make a copy tool like this, make it bolder, okay, so people can see. So that is roughly the design process. You want to lower the opacity down. Keep doing that until you're happy. But the trick I'm trying to show you guys is you lower the opacity, okay? So the big picture right here, right? You now have a design for TV, a design for desktop. Okay, if people are seeing your banner in a desktop format device, and if they are viewing on a mobile device, they still can see video editing. So with these 3 canvas, okay, or 3 layers design, and you lower the opacity, you can design whatever you want, and it's still safe in this era. Now, if you are more creative, you can design outside the box here. So whatever device people are seeing your content, your YouTube channel, they can still see a different. So basically you design in 3-in-1 design. Now if you want to learn the basics of Procreate, check this video right here, or playlist right here. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.